NASA's budget cuts have reduced the funding for deep space exploration programs by more than $800 million and threatened the future of missions like Mars Sample Return and Da Vinci. These missions are crucial for advancing our scientific understanding of the solar system and preparing for human exploration beyond the Moon. NASA's budget for fiscal year 2024 was proposed to be cut by 22% from 2023 levels, which would have devastating and potentially unrecoverable impacts on the agency's programs. This would significantly restructure or terminate various elements of Artemis 4, the fourth planned mission of the Artemis program that aims to land humans on the lunar South Pole by 2028. It would also delay or cancel several missions in development, including Mars Sample Return, the Da Vinci mission to Venus and the Dragonfly mission to Saturn's moon Titan. Mars Sample Return is a multi-mission effort to collect and return samples of Martian rocks and soil to Earth for detailed analysis. It is a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency (ESA) that involves 3 launches: the Perseverance rover that landed on Mars in February 2021, the Sample Retrieval lander that will launch in 2026, and the Earth Return orbiter that will launch in 2027. The mission will address key questions about the potential for life on Mars, the history of its climate and geology, and the implications for future human exploration. Da Vinci is one of the 2 missions selected by NASA in June 2021 as part of its Discovery program, which supports low-cost planetary science missions. Da Vinci stands for Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging. It will consist of a spacecraft that will descend through Venus' thick atmosphere and take measurements of its composition, temperature, pressure, and winds. It will also capture high-resolution images of a region called Alpha Regio, which may have evidence of past volcanic activity. The mission will shed light on how Venus evolved from a habitable world to a hellish one, and whether it ever had oceans or plate tectonics. Dragonfly is another mission selected by NASA in June 2019 as part of its New Frontiers program, which supports medium-cost planetary science missions. Dragonfly is a rotorcraft lander that will fly to dozens of locations on Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan has a dense atmosphere, organic-rich chemistry, and a surface shaped by rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane and ethane. It is considered a potential habitat for life as we do not know it. The mission will investigate Titan's prebiotic chemistry, habitability, and geology, as well as test the feasibility of aerial exploration in an extraterrestrial environment. These missions are examples of how NASA's deep space exploration programs are pushing the boundaries of science and technology. They are not only expanding our knowledge of the solar system, but also inspiring future generations of explorers and innovators. However, these missions are at risk of being delayed or cancelled due to NASA's budget cuts. These cuts are not only detrimental to NASA's goals and objectives, but also to our nation's position as a global leader in exploration, science, technology innovation, and discovery.